All right, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be doing a review on Black Magic Tire Wet. This is a tire shine that's been around for years. It'll probably be around for a really long time. It says long-lasting minimum streaks. Looks like they reformulated it. So let's go ahead and try it out, see how to use it, read the instructions, and see what kind of finish it leaves. Let's go. Let's see, for high gloss shine, it just says start with a clean and dry tire. Well, this tire is new and it's ready to be shined. So, brand new Continental tire, brand spanking new, low profile. See how this works. The instructions say pull trigger all the way back while following the arc of the tire for optimum spray performance. Wipe overspray excess product with a microfiber towel from wheels and adjacent panels. Allow for at least 30 minutes for the product to dry to minimize sling. So there we go. So it also says for more controlled high gloss shine, apply product with a sponge or microfiber towel. Let the product dry and reapply to achieve a desired shine. And I'm just going to go with the arc of the tire. So just follow the directions. I am applying this in direct sunlight. It does leave an awesome shine. I know that some people might be tempted to use a product like this on, I guess you want to say, floor mats or their floors or something. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't use this inside your vehicle. You're going to wind up with a mess. Big old mess. But as you can see, this shine is amazing. So let me do what the instructions said. Let me grab a microfiber towel. Got it right here. And I'm just gonna wipe it off the rim. Okay. Boom. Looks great. Now, for the sake of the time of the video, I'm not gonna wait here 30 minutes. But in order for it to dry, but as you can imagine, with the sun shining on it, it's not gonna take that long for it to set in. One thing that I do notice about this product, it's not running. It's not running at all. And here's something that you need to know. If you're going to be using any type of tire shine, the biggest thing is the tire prep. Before you ever put a tire shine on your tires, what is going to dictate the sling and also the overall longevity is how you prep the tire before you apply a tire dressing. So make sure that the tire is clean. Use an all-purpose cleaner. Degreaser, we'll do another video on that. But that is the key thing to making a tire shine look as good as what it does right now on this brand spanking new Continental tire. So there we go. It looks good. Looks fantastic. I'm not going to apply any more. I don't really see a need to. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. This has been a review on Black Magic Wet Shine Tire Wet.